Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to deposit money into your current app. If you don't have a current account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50 when you join and receive a qualifying direct deposit. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see a dollar symbol at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the dollar symbol. On this screen, you will see an option for withdraw or add cash. Tap on withdraw or add cash. Now, select the from and to account. After selecting, enter the amount you wish to deposit. You could just also choose from the options provided. Then tap on next. Lastly, review the deposit details. If everything looks good, tap on confirm. That's how you deposit money into your current app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.